In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send statement in Xero. If you want to remind customers what they owe or give them a clean summary of recent activity, customer statements are the way to go. They're quick to generate in Xero, and a couple of choices up front ensure the statement looks exactly the way you need. Start by opening Xero and heading to your main dashboard. From there, look toward the top navigation and open the sales area. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming in, including your invoices and customer statements. Once you're in sales, move into the invoices section. Think of this as your accounts receivable home base. Xero uses this screen as the launch point for creating and sending statements. On the invoices screen, find the option labeled Send Statements. Depending on your layout, it's typically near the top or available as a page action. Selecting this brings you to the Statement Setup page, where you'll tell Xero what kind of statement you want and the time frame it should cover. Now for the two important choices. First, pick the statement type. Outstanding statements show what's currently due at a specific point in time, great for end-of-month reminders or when you want a clear as-at snapshot of unpaid invoices. Activity statements, on the other hand, list all customer transactions within a period, things like invoices, payments, and credit notes, so your customer can see exactly what happened between two dates. If you're dealing with overdue balances, outstanding is usually your best bet. If your goal is transparency over a span of time, choose activity. Next, set the date. For an outstanding statement, choose the as-at date you want Xero to use when calculating the balance. Many businesses pick the last day of the month. For an activity statement, set the start and end dates that match the period you're reporting on, such as the first to the last day of the month or a custom range for a project cycle. As you review these settings, a few tips can help. Use consistent statement dates each month to make reconciliation and customer follow-up easier. Make sure your contact records are up to date so the statement reflects the correct address and reference details. And choose a date range that aligns with your reporting cadence, whether that's monthly, quarterly, or a one-off time frame for a specific need. That's all there is to configuring your statement in Xero. Open Sales, go to Invoices, select Send Statements, choose the statement type, and set the date. With those criteria in place, you're ready to generate accurate, professional statements with confidence.